Buenas, and welcome to Three Brothers Roofing. Today's project is about slate roof leak repair. So we are on rear lower slate roof, and we see the condition of those tile is in really bad condition. Not a problem. We have our technician replacing those tiles. So basically we will remove those really damaged tile, and then we will install some ice shield, and we will install new tiles. All right, so but those tiles, it's special because some of those tiles it's 14 inch, so no problem. We have plenty on our warehouse. So right here we can see the condition. A lot of those tile is over life. Not a problem. We provide solution. Okay, so while we was removing those tile, we just find the leaking section, the leaking area. So it's right here. Three Brothers Roofing, the solution, experience on a slate roof. Okay, so we find the leak, and now we just will blow off all the dust, and we will start doing the repairs. Okay, so now we start installing our ice shield as a base layer. Okay, so after we install the ice shield, and we are ongoing with those tiles, and it looks nice and clean, and guarantee no more leaking, 100%. Three Brothers Roofing, specialized on the slate roof. Okay, and we are on continue with our project. So while we was doing replacing this tile right here, we find the copper flashing no good. So we're gonna install a new piece of aluminum on this section. Okay, another project completed.